Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video you will learn how to turn on your vanish mode on Instagram. The process is very simple and very easy. Just turn on your Instagram app, go to your messages, open someone's app. Here you will swipe up your chat to turn on the vanish mode. So here is the option that you turn on vanish mode. Seen messages will disappear when you close the chat. If you have to turn off the vanish mode, simply just swipe up like this and release to turn off vanish mode. So when you release the screen, the vanish mode will be turned off.